Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about the work done on inclined plane, about the topic of the work done on inclined plane in class 9th. We know that here, when an object moves up with external force F, external force F on inclined plane OA, which makes angle theta with horizontal axis OB or OX, when force F acted on a body on inclined plane, then its two component force Fx acted along the horizontal axis and Fy acted on vertical axis. Here the force Fy which acted on vertical axis, then this force does not done the work because cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So here only the horizontal components of the Fx which work done on inclined plane along the horizontal axis. So here we can find the value of Fx first of all. Fx acted along the horizontal, then work is done and distance covered S. Now in right angle triangle OBA, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Means base by hypotenuse is equal to base represent the OP and hypotenuse represent the OA. So cos theta is equal to OB by OA. So OB represent the horizontal component of the force Fx and the hypotenuse represent the acted force F, means resultant force. So putting the value of OB and OA, then we get here the value of cos theta is equal to Fx by F, then Fx is equal to F cos theta. We know that work done along the horizontal axis, then work done is equal to the force which acted along the horizontal axis Fx and displacement S. So here W is equal to Fx into S, equation first. Now putting the value of Fx in equation first, then we get here W is equal to Fx into S is equal to Fx, the value of Fx is equal to F cos theta dot S, then we get here the Fs cos theta. So work done by anybody on inclined plane, then work done is equal to Fs cos theta. Now here we shall discuss about the work done on inclined plane or in a circular path. Then there are three types of the work is done. Positive work done, zero work done, and negative work done. So we can explain through this formula. Work done is equal to Fs cos theta, means we explain about the types of the work is done here. So first case here, this is the W is equal to Fs cos theta, where theta is equal to 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. Means there are six cases. We explain the work done. This work done is what type of its characteristics. Means it is positive, negative, or zero. So in first case first, when theta is equal to 0, then W is equal to Fs cos theta is equal to Fs cos 0 degree is equal to Fs into 1, because the value of the cos 0 degree is equal to 1 is equal to Fs. So here this is the maximum work done. Maximum work done. So here theta is equal to 0 means the OA and OB both are overlap to each other due to work done is maximum, means Fs. Second case second, when theta is equal to 30 degree, then W is equal to Fs cos theta is equal to Fs cos 30 degree is equal to Fs into root 3 by 2. In bracket we have written cos theta cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So putting this value, then we get here the root 3 by 2 Fs is equal to root 3, value of root 3 is equal to 1.732 by 2 Fs is equal to 0.866 Fs. So here the work done which at angle 30 degree, then this work done decreases, means its value is less than the with respect to the first cases. But in both cases we get the positive work done. Case third, when theta is equal to 45 degree, then W is equal to Fs cos 45 degree is equal to Fs into 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by root 2 Fs is equal to 1 by 1.414, decimal cancel, then we get here 1000 Fs is equal to 0.70 Fs, means also work done is positive. Case 4, when theta is equal to 60 degree, then the work done W is equal to Fs cos 60 degree is equal to Fs into half is equal to half Fs is equal to 0.5 Fs, means when the surface OA which inclined and its angle increases, then work done which we get the work done which value is positive but its value decreases with respect to the case first, case second, case third and case third. So this value is come here, work done will be half at the angle of 60 degree. Now case fifth, when theta is equal to 90 degree, then here W is equal to Fs cos 90 degree is equal to Fs into 0 is equal to 0, because cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So in the case, so when any body which travels on inclined plane and its angle will be a start from 0 to below the 90 degree, then work done will be positive. So we can say that when any object which travels on inclined surface, which angle is acute angle, then this work will be positive. This work done will be positive. But when the angle of the theta is equal to 90 degree, then work done will be 0. For example, a pulley which taking the load on the head and moving here and there, then work will be done by the pulley is 0. When a pulley loaded the luggage on our head and moving here and there, then work done is 0. When planets or satellites revolving around the sun or planet, then work done is 0 because they are perpendicular from the applied horizontal forces, and due to this reason work done is 0. But in case of the sixth case sixth here, case sixth, we shall discuss about the case 6 when theta is equal to 180 degree, then we get here work done is equal to Fs cos theta is equal to Fs cos 180 degree is equal to Fs into minus 1 is equal to minus Fs. Means negative work is done because the angle when increased from the right angles to 180 degree, then work done is negative. So here this is the W is equal to minus Fs, means negative work is done. Negative work is done. For example, when we have hit the ball on the walls vertically, then they bounce back in front of the observer. So this is also known as work done negative. Thank you.